How to use Monday.com for workflows. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a board for your workflow. Click on the plus button to add a new board and name it based on your project, such as Marketing Workflow or Sales Pipeline. 2. Add different columns to define the workflow structure. Include columns like Status, Priority, Assigned to, Due Date, and Notes to track progress efficiently. 3. Use automations to streamline repetitive tasks. Click on Automate, then set rules like when status changes to Done, notify the team to improve productivity. 4. Assign team members to specific tasks. Use the People column to tag users, ensuring accountability and better collaboration within your team. 5. Integrate external tools like Slack, Gmail, or Google Drive. This helps in keeping all communication and files centralized within Monday.com for smooth workflow execution. 6. Track workflow progress using Monday.com dashboards. You can add widgets that display task completion rates, team workload, and upcoming deadlines in a visual format. 7. Regularly review and refine your workflow. Use the activity log to analyze bottlenecks, identify inefficiencies, and adjust processes to improve performance.